Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can find and access to data usage information on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the settings. Here go for the connection and sharing category, scroll a bit and open the data usage section. In here we'll have the data usage for the SIM card 1, the very detailed breakdown on, well, how much data, how many bytes you have used for any particular app, or as you can see even the task like the mobile hotspots. In order to see the data usage for other SIM card you have installed, just open up the notification and control center, and in here switch the SIM card, just like so. And if we'll get back and open up the data usage again, we'll see that now we get the breakdown for the SIM card number 2, just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.